I'm scared.
Yeah.
Okay, babies, walk away.
Excuse us, birds. Excuse us, birds.
Pero me da tentación que tiren el caso, ¿no? ¿No? Solo que estén ella, pues, no se puedan mover, entonces sí. Bien, cuidado. Sí, sí. Okay, this is Mike Miguel. He's gonna be your captain, and let me tell you this: he's the best in Los Cabos. Aquí, papá, ahí van. Todas van a hacer el paseo y no van a bajar a la playa. All right. Okay, watch your step, please.
We are on a glass bottom boat where you will see all the fishies in a minute. Okay. Birds fighting for fish.
Miguel, I will take care of you, amigos. We're going to go see the arch, the lens end, the sea lion, rock formations, and a lot of fishes.
Okay, all right. Let's get it.
I can't see them.
Not yet.
Mommy, why are you sitting over there?
So I can record and hear.
Wait, so we gonna see everything on the boat?
What you mean?
We gonna be on the boat and see everything?
Whatever is underneath, yeah, you can see it under the.
getting on the boat. Oh, okay.
You will. You trying to go swim in the ocean with the wild animals?
Swim with the devil in the deep blue sea, but you ain't gonna take me.
Mommy, we going swimming?
Gotta stop and get some gas. That's the gas station for boats. We is literally stopping at the gas station, y'all. We have to get gas at the gas station. I did not know boats had their own gas station. $21.34 in pesos for 1 gallon.
Because it's a lot of work to make the papers ready for me. I'm too old. I'm 55. I don't really need this one here.
This is a more relaxed setting. There you go.
Exactly.
Were you born here?
No, actually I born in Acapulco.
Oh, Acapulco.
See?
How far away is that?
Actually like 6,000 miles.
Ooh.
Like 2 days driving.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah. Because you're going by the coastline. I don't have to go into the mainland.
Mommy, what's this
Just by the
for?
coastline, all the way down to the
You want a
south.
pirate?
A pirate ship. A pirate ship. It's a pirate ship. Mommy, pirates are hiding. Mommy, pirates are hiding. They'll go on their boat, they'll come out. Mommy, I see the
How
big
this boat
boat.
rocking?
Mommy, I see the big boat. I see the big boat.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, I see the big boat. Yeah, I see it. Mommy, are we going back on the big boat?
Later.
Anybody ever fall over in the water? Anybody ever fall over in the water?
No,
Oh,
not in this boat.
Not on this boat.
ah,
On the yachts.
oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
on the jets, sometimes they fall over.
Okay.
They're big. And they
Yeah.
have the reel right this high.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes they standing right there.
Ah.
Move a little bit. Come
Got
down.
it.
This one, no, never. Right here, amigos. This is the Pelican Beach.
Oh, Pelican.
Oh, the Pelican Beach.
Right there. Mexican chicken. Right here, amigos. You want to see the fish?
Right here?
Yes.
Fish right here.
Woo!
Oh,
I'm
don't worry.
scared. I'm scared.
That was
I am afraid. Oh no!
Oh, look, they got a fish.
Where?
Look, under the boat, in the glass boat. Look, they are right here.
I see them. Mom,
Oh, look. That is a lot.
See the fishes? This is one with a yellow tail, amigo.
The hell.
You see one with
Do
the
you
yellow
see
tail?
one with the
That's
yellow
Dory.
tail?
I see the big one.
Oh, Dory. Where's Dory?
Dory, right there. Dory. I see
Dory
him.
has the yellow tail.
I see him.
Do you see Dory?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
He's right there. He went over there. Right
Huh?
there, right there. Dory. You saw them right there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow, this is a lot of fish. That one look tropical right there.
I see Dory. Dory.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Trying to eat at the boat. There go Dory right here with the yellow tail. There go Dory right there. Say hi, Dory.
Yeah, Dory. Dory.
It's two Dorys.
It's two
Well,
Dory.
remember that Dory in the family.
Yep. Oh, yeah, you're right. It was the whole family.
Eating.
I'm snorkeling.
Dory.
Huh?
to snorkel.
Oh, Mommy,
Girl,
I
you
see
snorkeling
another
right here
Dory.
under this glass boat right here.
Mommy, it's Dory.
Look.
I saw another one.
You know how to
Dory. No. Mommy.
Look at these fish.
No,
trying to eat at
Dory.
the boat.
No. No.
Over here, Mom. It's a whole bunch.
They want you.
It's pretty.
Look at that.
Can I feed Can I feed it?
Oh.
I'm gonna feed
They're
it.
Mexicans. They love tortillas.
Yeah.
How do you feed them? How do you feed them? Whoa!
Don't
I
throw all
want
over
to feed them.
the
I want
time.
to feed them. I want to feed them. I want to feed them.
Wow.
Make it in small pieces, a bunch of it, and turn it into water.
Break it up.
Break it in small pieces. Come on.
And this one?
Fish loves bread. Rip it in small pieces. Look at that.
Mommy, I saw him. I saw him. I saw him.
Look like a bunch of piranhas
Mommy,
attacking.
I saw a blue guy. Mommy, I saw the blue fish.
You did?
Yes.
All right.
Movie. I got
Finish
more.
throwing them the food, because we finna go. Ah, snaps.
Mommy, can I throw the big one now?
Hmm?
Can I throw the big one now?
Throw it so you can feed them. Good job. Again?
See,
No, what's the name of it? What's the name of these?
amberjacks.
Hammerjacks? Oh, they gone now.
Where are we about to go now?
We finna see some more fishy, fishy, fishy.
Fishy, fishy, fishy,
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
fishy, fishy. Mommy,
Hmm?
what about I do this like this? And what about a face like comes up? And then like grab it, like eat it.
I don't know.
Like, fish, 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 fish.
You got scared. When y'all went on the bubble tour?
Oh yeah.
Mommy, cause it was like coming forward, and Maya wanna get it out, get out, but Maya.
Lover's Beach? Ooh, this is Lover's Beach. Where's my lover?
And Maya.
Hey lover, hey lover.
On the other side.
And then Maya was trying to get out, or couldn't get out, and I got out, and I was trying to help Maya to pull it back. I helped her. I need help.
Good job.
Ooh, fish is over here. Fish are over here.
What is all that white stuff on the mountain?
Those fish.
Oh, the white stuff. Look like snow or something. Like paint.
Or
Oh, I
moss.
see a bug. Mommy, are glasses right there? Are glass right there?
Should have got on that.
There gotta be some fish over here because they feeding them.
That's called Big Mike. Hey, Big Mike.
You remember Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo, yeah.
See? We have a rock formation with the head of the Scooby.
You have Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo.
Oh, yeah, I know Scooby-Doo.
What?
Look it over there.
Where?
You can see the Scooby-Doo head on the rock.
Right there.
Oh, Scooby-Doo.
Where?
Scooby-Doo rock. And look like Scooby-Doo.
Where?
You know, keep it right there.
Right there.
That rock right there look like Scooby-Doo. Oh, sticking up. The rock
It looks like
Look at the sails. Oh my God.
Oh, you hear him? Look at him.
Oh my God. I see him. I want to get real close. You got a video
Take the arrow ready.
Wait, you gonna get closer?
Take the arrow ready.
Oh,
The
yeah.
art? Oh, okay, here. I don't see it looking like Scooby-Doo, but okay.
That rock right there.
I'll have to look at it later.
Oh my God.
These are seals. They everywhere. Oh wow.
What is that?
Hmm.
Maya
long
His name
time.
is Thomas the Cavendish. There was a real pirate. He was living in Cabo.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh, wait,
So
so what?
1800. Yeah, 1800.
Oh, a long time ago. No, I know what that is. That's bird poop. That's on the road.
The bird food. I don't like the bird
Oh, okay.
It looks like water's coming out of the ground. It is.
They take turns inside of the cage.
I want to see a dolphin. Something smells.
Waves. Rocky waves.
Mommy, look at all of those whale poop. Maya, turn around. Look at all of those poop.
Ah, okay.
Mommy, look at all of those poop.
They went to see the whales.
Careful.
I was drowned.
How about you in the water?
Nobody's gonna hear it.
Wow. Wow. Let's go. Ma, you're not throwing me a walk. Don't throw me.
Hey, then get back before you actually fall over in the water.
Mommy, our diet's on that one.
Is that our ship right there? Is that our boat right there?
Yeah. Maya, show me how does it look like Scooby-Doo?
Oh, look at that. You see the two ears.
The two ears.
The two ears. And then his nose.
Oh, I see them. I see them. He's doing.
Which rock are you
The
looking
middle
at?
one. not
Right
the
here
big
in
one.
front of us or the one
Yes,
behind
The
it?
one behind it. You see the nose. And then the two ears. It looks like Scooby-Doo.
Mommy,
Two
I see
ears. And
them.
then it's like his face structure. Pull up a picture of Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, girl, pull up a picture of Scooby-Doo.
Mommy, I see them. They're
I
doing.
don't see it.
Mommy, is one on the
I'm
water?
stepping on my shoes. Look. Imagine him, his sad point. Look. Now look at that.
Where do you see the nose?
The nose is that little thing, that big thing.
Look, see? Look on my phone. Look on my phone.
Look. It's two ears.
Oh, looking at it from the side. Oh, I see now. Okay. I get it now. Oh, I see. Scooby-Doo. Okay. I see it now.
Mommy, are they still in?
I'm sure we'll come back.
We are.
Sit down.
Couple from here. So I put him early in the morning, so I have to pick him up right now. A couple. Two persons.
Oh, a couple.
Yeah. They've been on the tour with me, and I put it there on the beach, and that's the time so I come back.
Ah, okay. right, we pulling back up. How was it for you, Maya? Maya, how was it for you? Did you enjoy it? What was your favorite part? The seals. What about you? Exactly. What was your favorite part?
Favorite part of what? Of this trip?
Mm-hmm.
I like the Seal Island.
The seagulls.
The seal.
Oh, the
Watching
seals.
the seals over there, yeah.
And then what was your favorite part? Seeing the fishies. Which fishy?
I don't remember. I don't know. I just heard
The yellow tail.
Dory. Dory.
He was eating the fish.
What movie did Dory come off of?
What?
What movie did Dory come off of? Who was she always looking for?
The blue guy.
same dog.
The blue fish.
She is the blue fish.
No, Dory.
Dory is the blue fish. Who was she
No,
looking
the
for?
yellow tail.
My pet.
She was looking for Nemo, boy.
Yeah.
Nemo.